Hey everybody, Chris here. Did you like the thumbnail for this video? Just trying to have a little fun. In this world of crypto, some people take things way too seriously, and so gotta have a little fun every now and then. So that's what we're gonna do, but we're talking about Dogecoin. Dogecoin breaking out, and that's what happened the past day and a half, as Dogecoin has been over 14 cents now. It's retracing a little bit, and that's expected, and I'll show you that on the charts, show you what I'm looking at. But Dogecoin is now the number 12 overall cryptocurrency in terms of market cap, which is good, $18 billion worth. That's awesome for Doge now. Still have a long way to go, understand that. Some of you have bought Dogecoin a little higher and still waiting for it to go back up. So we're kind of expecting that to happen, but in this world of crypto, you never know. And so I'll just show you what I'm looking at on the charts. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Appreciate the support. Let's go ahead and let's take a look at the charts. So we'll start with the Dogecoin chart here on the 30-minute, and what we see is a little retracement starting now with Doge. Here's the trading over the past day or so. Dogecoin was down here at 12.15, traded up yesterday morning, kind of bounced off 13 cents, came back down, and then made a run. Last night that run came up over the 1360 resistance line that I had pegged, and I'll show you that in a minute when we zoom out. Then came up above it, came back and retested 1360, and then traded up over 14 cents. This morning, we see this little retracement coming back down, and that is completely expected. Let's zoom out to the 4-hour, and I'll show you back what this looked like, breaking out of this downward triangle that Dogecoin was in, went through a W phase here, and then this loop up. We could almost look at this as a cup and handle here. That kind of was, but I saw it more as a true real W here, and then this breakout. Zooming back out to the daily, we can look and see where 1360 comes from. 1360 back here in January was support for the trading of Doge. When Doge dropped below 1360, it retested back here early March, bounced off and came back down low toward 11 cents. So now what I would expect is Dogecoin to trade up over 1360, come back down, retest it. Might Dogecoin drop back below 1360? That could happen. I think a lot of that's going to depend on Bitcoin. Here's what Bitcoin's doing. Bitcoin is still in this sideways channel. It has not broken out of it. Until Bitcoin is over 45,000, then I would see that upward movement of all of cryptos going up. But we don't see that right now. We only see certain cryptos making runs right now. Cardano, Loopring yesterday was talking about, but Loopring is dropping back down a bit. ETH had a run a few days ago, and this was Dogecoin's day. So we see different cryptos kind of doing their own thing. But Doge overall, again, still has a long way to go, but we'll see if it retests 1360 completely, comes back down, or continues this run up. In terms of the overall crypto market cap, still under 2 trillion, 1.963 right now. We are waiting for a Bitcoin run that will bring the total market cap over 2 trillion. And here's Dogecoin, number 12 in total market cap, over $18 billion. Up 18% now for the week, 13% over the last 24 hours. So that's good trading for Doge. But what do we see? We see just about everything else in the green except for some of the stable coins. But the overall crypto market is looking very green. So that is good for the market, and particularly Doge. Where Doge goes from here, again, we're going to be looking at indicators with retracement and watching Bitcoin and what Bitcoin is going to do. Bitcoin still, still in this sideways channel. And until it breaks out, I'm still looking at some sideways trading. But Doge can do its own thing, and we've seen that before. We saw it again yesterday with Doge. Some of us were disappointed in the downward trading of Dogecoin while Bitcoin was going sideways. And this is reflected here in the relationship between Dogecoin and Bitcoin. Right now, it's over 0.0003%, which was this blue line. This is the key blue line I was looking at as a relationship between Dogecoin and Bitcoin. Back in early March, when it dropped below that 0.0003%, that was kind of tough. Doge just continuing down, but came back up, retested, dropped back down, and now has broken above it. Can we get back up to 0.004%, back up here where we were in January with that last run that Dogecoin had? I think that would be great, and that would be more in par and in line of what I see Dogecoin versus Bitcoin trading going forward. I'll keep an eye on that, and we'll see whether Dogecoin can continue up and increase its market share against Bitcoin. I think that would be good to see. It may take some other catalyst to make that happen. This trading here, it wasn't really based on anything particular we saw with Dogecoin. This was just everyone deciding they'd accumulated enough at 11 and 12 cents, and it's time to start trading upwards. We look at the Doge shorts, and the Doge shorts were down, which is good to see. Good to see the Doge shorts down. Did come up a little bit this morning, but just a little bit. That's kind of enough. When you see a big spike in Dogecoin, you're going to see some of that. But it has since come back down. If the Dogecoin shorts can stay low, I think that gives us more opportunity for Dogecoin to trade upwards going forward. So right now, as I'm recording this, Dogecoin at 1380. That looks good, and we will watch where Dogecoin trades from here. So overall, I see Dogecoin still trading upwards along with the rest of the crypto market. I think cryptocurrency has gone through this lull, kind of this semi-crypto winter. I wouldn't really call it a winter. Maybe it was a warm winter. I don't know. But cryptocurrency overall is generally, I think, in a good place. I think we've gotten through a lot of the FUD about whether it's going to be regulated or banned or things like that. Yeah, some countries are still trying to work that out. But overall, I think the sentiment is good. I think cryptocurrency is going to do okay. We're going to see Bitcoin trading upwards, I think, pretty soon. And with that, I think the rest of the altcoins are going to come with. Some of the altcoins are going to take off on their own, like we saw before. Cardano doing well, and we're going to see Doge kind of do its own thing with the catalysts that are going to come in. So waiting for that, but let's enjoy what we have now. Good run for Dogecoin to get to here, and let's leave all of that 12 and 11 cent stuff behind us. Give the video a like. Let me know in the comments below what you think about Dogecoin breaking out and where it's going to go. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.